How to get your motorcycle ready for spring. When the roads are dry and the temperatures are above zero, the riding season can begin. But don't rush to hit the road. Prepare your motorbike first. We'll show you exactly what steps to take and what you should definitely pay attention to. Assess the condition of the sprockets. If the teeth are worn out, replace the sprockets. Adjust the chain tension. It should not be loose or over-tightened. All links must move smoothly. Lubricate the chain. This should be done once every 500 kilometers or after every off-road trip. Important: the chain and sprockets should be replaced together. Check the condition of the brake system components. Check the brake lines. The hoses should not have any cracks or leaks. Check the brake fluid. If it has reached the end of its life, change it. The fluid level in the reservoir should be between the min and max marks. Important: the type and amount of brake fluid required can be found in the owner's manual for your motorcycle or on the reservoir cap. Check the brakes, press the lever. If it feels spongy, it means there's air in the brake system, so it needs to be bled. Assess the condition of the brake pads. If the pad friction lining is heavily worn, install new parts. Change your oil and replace the oil filter. If you have a coarse filter, don't forget to inspect and clean it. Attention! A motorcycle engine works under a greater load than a car engine, so the oil must be changed more often, about every 3,000 to 4,000 kilometers. Important: use the engine oil specified by the motorcycle manufacturer.
The whole world of car parts in your pocket. Download the Autodoc app.
Inspect the tire tread for wear, punctures, or cuts. If the remaining tread depth is too low for safe riding, or if you aren't sure whether the tire is damaged, install new tires. Check the tire pressure with a pressure gauge and adjust if necessary. Check the battery charge level with a multimeter. If necessary, charge the battery using the right charger. Measure the electrolyte density if the battery's design allows it. If the battery has reached the end of its service life and no longer holds a charge, replace the battery. Important: while checking the battery, you should also inspect the lights, horn, and switches. If your motorcycle is fitted with a high-flow air filter, it needs servicing with a special kit designed for these components. Cartridge air filters are not serviceable and require replacement. Check the condition of the spark plugs. Inspect the spark plugs. If you find cracks on the insulator or electrode wear, the parts need to be replaced. If you see heavy carbon deposits, oil, or signs of overheating on the spark plug tips, this indicates a fault in one of the engine systems. In this case, before installing new spark plugs, it's necessary to identify and fix the fault. After finishing the maintenance, take your motorcycle for a test ride, but stay close to the garage as you may need to adjust all the types of something. After the ride, Inspect the motorcycle for any fluid leaks. Don't forget your gear and insurance, and ride safe.